Hey guys, today I'm going to tell you how to turn off camera shutter sound in Samsung A16. If you are using Samsung A16 and now you want to turn off or disable camera shutter sound, so let's see how can do this. First of all, you just have to open your camera, then select the square icon here, open the settings, and here you can see there is no any settings to turn off or disable shutter sound. So here's the first option. You just have to minimize the system sound. Just press the volume button and then minimize the system sound just like this. And now you won't get any shutter sound. So there's a second way. So you just have to automate shutter sound or system sound. So let's see how. Just open settings, then select modes and routines. From here, just select add mode. Here just select any icon and color and then rename. Here just add the name shutter sound off. Just add it, then tap done, then done again. And here you must have to add some settings. Here turn on automatically when to start this mode. Here you just have to select app opened, then camera, then done, and then done. And here's the other action. You must have to tap on it. And here just look for sound and media mode and volume. Just tap on it. And here you must have to minimize the system sound. Just tap on done. And then just tap on done. Here you can see these have been enabled. Now whenever you open the camera it will automatically open. So let's see how. Let's clear or close all the recent apps. Scroll down your control center. Here you can see no any mode has been enabled, but whenever we open the camera there's a mode shutter sound off has been enabled. So that's how you can easily turn off camera shutter sound in your Samsung A16. Thank you very much for watching the video. Until next video, bye bye.